Hello everybody, you can call me Hunch. Today I'm going to talk about sand. Remember, sand has gone way up, so there is a risk that this could fall even further, but I do think long term to medium term, this is a great play. Remember, there's a lot of risks in crypto, right? Do you even need a currency? Why not just use ETH or Bitcoin for the blockchain purchases, or for the NFT purchases, like land or characters or items, like swords or whatever you want to use in the game, right? So there's a lot of risk. But if I was going to take a gaming risk at a mid-cap level, right, you can make a lot of money in the low caps. I'm not interested in the low caps. It's too much risk for me. I'm in a position in my life where I just kind of want to get to retirement and then think about, taking more risk when I have more money, right? So that's not for me. Everyone's different. Just remember. Okay, so let's dive into the charts. So for me here, I see a descending wedge here. Remember, a descending wedge, which I reviewed in one of my videos, if you don't remember, means it's typically bullish, right? Because we're running out of sellers, right? And it pops to the upside, right? Because everyone thinks it's getting to fair value. So what I see here is two scenarios, right? You could have a lot of support around this level, right? Or I think we could continue to go down in kind of a wedge fashion, just like before. I think this is still bullish. I think NFTs are bullish. I think gaming is bullish. I think maybe they're rotating into other games besides Decentraland and Sand. Remember, I think those are the two blue chip gaming cryptos, right? And I think people are probably rotating into the smaller ones and maybe back to Bitcoin for a while. So remember, there's also the risk that Bitcoin and ETH start to take off and everything else goes to the downside. So, but if you were a fan of Sand, and I am, right? I know there's a lot of risk. And remember, you could lose everything. I'm not a financial advisor. I can't guarantee anything. I'm just giving you my opinion. This is where I would be accumulating sand. If you have some losses and you want to move into sand and some other cryptos, maybe Tax Harvest lost some of those cryptos and move into sand and hope it pops. But, nothing's guaranteed. This is just an update. I love sand. Research a little more. You can call me Hunch.